John Van Leenen, New Zealand Sotheby's International in Palmerston North, number 39 Tennyson Avenue, Kelvin Grove. Well, how many properties do you ever get come up on the park? Celaeno Park, we've got a 4-bedroom home here, a lovely home, but it's most importantly wrapped around an environment people love to live in. It's number 39 Tennyson Avenue. Call us, let's have a little wander through. Well, the entertainment value here at number 39 Tennyson Avenue is outstanding. The indoor-outdoor flow we've shown you, but the spaces that we have here, 2 living rooms, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, double internal access garaging, all rolls out to the park. Now, that has to be and will always be your best friend. Family, friends, and everyone will just love the whole idea of coming to visit you. So call Michelle and myself as quickly as you possibly can. This home is that good.